Hey guys, Steve here. I wanted to get on and make a quick video about a top freebie referral site called Level Rewards. Level Rewards is a site where you actually do free offers or trials, whether they're 7-day, 14-day, or 30 days, that you try stuff out for free, and you get credits for it. And it's a nice way to make money. The site is absolutely free to join. Let me show you the Facebook proof group, where they have a Facebook group where they post all their pictures of the money that they're making. I advise you to use Chrome when you sign up for Level Rewards. Not Chrome, sorry, but Firefox. It's more compatible with the Level Rewards system. So here's from 10 hours ago. Been slacking the past 2 weeks, but happy hump day. This is the total, right? But this person's been doing it since 2019. This is the amount of money they made. Now it's $5 at a time, so think about that. Think about that, right? For each level, you earn $5 every time your referral levels up. So this is just different proof. Somebody got paid 5, they got paid 5, and this is just a group where they show their proof. So so everybody in this group is making money, okay? So let's go back to the task at hand. Here we go. Now, it says each campaign is worth a certain number of credits based on its commission. The credits of every campaign you complete are added up. Every 1 credit puts you up 1 level. Each level increases your earning potential. You'll earn $5 per level your referrals reach, but you can't earn beyond your own level. So that means that if somebody, my referee or my referral, makes it to level 10 and I'm only a level 9, I miss out that 1 level, that $5, okay? So the idea is you need to level all the way up as high as you can, and then teach your people that your referral that you're bringing in to do the same. And one way that you can maximize that training and have everybody doing duplication and replication of your success is by combining this program with a free marketing system, okay? And the free marketing system is called Free Lead System forever, basically, because you get to keep it forever and it's free, right? I'll put a link in the description below. But basically, you click on the link, it'll give you a quick 52-second video describing how you could dominate any type of program, network marketing, affiliate marketing, MLM, whatever. It could be used with anything, and you could just dominate, right? So what you do is you put your name in here, put your email in here, click yes, and then hit register. And immediately you're going to receive an email, and you might have to check your spam folder, but you're going to receive an email from the Power Lead System. You want to remember this word because the Power Lead System is awesome, and one day you may grow up to be in that group, right? But anyway, how to use your free system. That's what the title of the email is going to be, and it's going to contain your username and your password. Here's the website to access, all conveniently on this page, and it even shows you the first screen that you're going to be presented with and what button to press. You see that? And the directions are laid out. One thing to make note of is that the free lead system is going to give you an option to upgrade for a one-time fee of $7, right? That's highly recommended. Why? Because you can make $6 per lead. If you promote this same thing on the front end, right, you can make $6 commission over and over and over and over again, and you never have to pay for this system ever again. So you can go from the free system to the $7 system and make unlimited $6 commissions, okay? And also it has a video to train you and some testimonials, and it just tells you a little bit more of why you should upgrade. And it says, warning, without lead lightning, only $7, your sponsor will get half your leads and they will earn up to $6 per lead that you generate. So you don't want to miss out that for just $7. So I advise you to drop to 7, you know what I'm saying? Drop to 7 and combine it with this program, okay? And you'll make unlimited $5 as long as you keep leveling up. On top of, when you train your team to do the same, you can get those $6 commissions from them. Even if they use the free system, you'll get half of their leads, and that's potentially half of their dough, So anyway, Where was I? Okay, so that's that. And I want to show you how to hook this up real quick. So this is the free lead system here. Okay, so after you get your login information, you're going to log in here and you're going to come to a screen that looks just like this, right? After you log in. Now, this button is magical. It's prime real estate here. Why? Because if you click this link, it takes them to your, because you're the referrer, right? You're giving them this free system. It takes them to your primary offer. So already, and I clicked it, it took me to this because I already have this built in, and this is the page that I created in the Power Lead system on how to level up.
Hey, what's going on, guys?
And on how to level up fast and earn $5 per level. You know how to immediately level up, and I'll have a link for this in the bottom. But that's what I have embedded in the back office. So let me go back. So it'll immediately take you to your sponsor's recommended stream of income, which happens to be that page that you just seen. So anyway, you come down here, click the How Do I Get Started button. It walks you through 3 simple steps, okay? This video kind of walks you along with that. Step 1, I would recommend highly that you complete this step, and it just takes you to our Facebook group. Step 2, you choose what link you want to advertise. Now you have 4 links that you can advertise. You have funnel 1, which is going to either promote A, only the lead lightning, which is your $7 sale if you upgrade, or B, your lead lightning on the odd sequence emails and your primary offer on the even sequence emails. Or you can come down here and basically give away your free lead system. And just from the previous description, the page that I showed you about to get free leads, you already see how that works. But by you giving away a free lead system, you know, you potentially get half of their leads if they use it without upgrading. And if they upgrade, you get that 6, right? So I would recommend you just promote the free lead system, give the free lead system away, and leave it up to them to promote whatever they want to. So let's go back up here. Now let me show you where to plug in your information at. So what you do is you're going to log into your level. After you create an account, you'll log into your level reward site, right? Let's see there, boom, boom. Okay, you'll log in and you're going to go to status. Okay, status. Oh, I'm already on status, my bad. So then you grab this link towards the middle of the page, copy, and you come back to your free lead system and you paste that here, okay? Oh, hold on. Boom. Let's go back. Let's try that again because that was the wrong link. You hit copy link and you come back here and you paste that, okay? What you need to do is get rid of the prefix here where it says HTTPS. Then you hit, because it's already here. If you have both of those, you'll have a broken link. So you hit update. Now, what you just did is you set your capture page to immediately after, no, sorry, not your capture page, but you set your autoresponder sequence to have this embedded in the emails, which is your level, which is this level reward system, right? So you hit update, which we did, and now you scroll back down and you click either here or here or here, right? So if you click here, the free lead system with the same, it has the same autoresponder sequence. It takes you here and it shows you what link to promote to offer your free lead system and your primary business, which I recommend. Now, let me show you what the capture page looks like. Boom. Can't beat that, right? It has today's date. It says, hurry it, it's expiring, right? So they input their information and they'll get an email with their username and login. And that's where you can help walk them through the system as well to set it up, right? Because once they do that, you get half their leads if they don't upgrade. So let's go back and look at the other capture page. Let's go back. If you choose to use the lead lightning capture page that promotes both, you click this link. It says show me. It has the same address for level rewards in here, and you click this, my top funnel, and it takes you to this capture page, which is still good because all you need is their email information. Okay, so that's the gist of it right there. Now, also with the level rewards program, you get a free shareable marketing page here that gives a brief description of it has a video. It tells you a little bit about level rewards, and it also gives you a link, a shareable link that you can use. And it says username dot checks on checks. So basically, if you look here and then look up here in your URL, you would just change the XXX to your username, and it becomes your page. And when they click here, if you look in the bottom left, you see how it has XXX. Now, if I change that here to, let's say, Top Dog, right, and hit enter, the page refreshes, and you see how it says Top Dog here. And you come down here, if I hover over it, look in the bottom left, you'll see where it says, or you should see where it says Top Dog. Man, just trust me, it works. I don't think it showed up on the screen. But anyway, you can use this. Now, if you wanted to use this to promote in your email sequence using the free system, you just copy this, go back to your back office of your free system, go back to get quick start here, and you would just pop that address in here. Control V, and again, you remove the HTTP portion, and you hit update. Now everything is all set. You click show me the link to use, and you just grab this link, and now that URL of topdog.checksonchecks.com level up will be embedded in your email sequence, which it's going to be embedded in the even sequences. So it's basically from 0 to 17 or 0 to 16. It's like approximately 17 or 18 follow-up emails that they're going to get that's going to promote either the free lead system and your level up rewards, or the lead lightning and your level up rewards. So that will up your game, all the way. One thing I wanted to make mention here that's important is it says you cannot post this link directly on social media. You can't post this link because it may be flagged and they start removing it. So I suggest you get a domain and forward it, which I'll be making a video on how to forward domains. Or there's a trick that you can create, go into your Google Docs, and all you do is, I'll save that for another video, and I'll show you how to do that. So it'll be more to follow. But that's pretty much the gist of it. And this email marketing platform will follow up with your prospects and promote level rewards on the backside, and lead lightning free offer, or lead lightning $7 offer, or the free lead system on the front. So yeah, that's it. That's pretty much what I wanted to go over. Also, I'm going to leave a link in the description below that I have a page that I created that shows you exactly how to level up and start earning your $5. Okay, and you can do this today. You can and make it up to level 1 today, so you can start earning those $5 commissions. If you log in, right here, this video will show you how to do it. And after level 1, you contact me, and I'll show you how to advance even further. And we can crush it together. And I'll also show you how to personally set up everything if you reach out to me. But I believe that's all I got, and I'm out. Oh, like, share, subscribe. I'm out.